fingers. Band. Yep. Weird. Definitely was doing some shit. I almost want to say that these were potentially rerun. It's weird seeing them on the middle ones like that. But you never know. People build these all really funny all the time. Cheaping out on parts, even for supposedly high dollar stuff. Oh, that was loose. Oh, sure. Alright, let's see if we can get lucky with this. Cool. Am I crazy, or am I not seeing the piston? Oh, that's not good. It had walked. That ring is way wide and it had opened. That's really interesting. I'm gonna have to double check this, but I'm fairly sure that I'm looking at something. It does not have a piston to apply that intermediate clutch pack. That is really weird. Still got a stock sprag in it. That is tighter than anything else. That is unbelievably tight. Oh, this is a lot of messed up. It's so messed up, I'm second guessing myself on half of this. So there is half of a bearing in here. This should be a 3-piece needle bearing. I thought maybe it was on the bottom here and I was having to scrape it out. But there is not a bearing on that. Let's see what else is messed up in this. Looks decently fine on the thrust washer. Planetary seemed fine. That drum is definitely worn.